Hi, my name is Carly, and I'm the social media manager at Full Leaf Tea Company. Today I'm going to show you 3 matcha lattes inspired by holiday cookies to make your week extra sweet. All the recipes will be in the description below, so you don't have to remember them, but this is our gingerbread matcha latte, which I'm going to start with our organic premium matcha. I'm going to next add some ginger, some cinnamon, and just a little bit of nutmeg, and then some brown sugar, and some nearly boiling water. I'm whisking vigorously to make sure everything is well combined before setting this aside, moving on to our next step. I'm gonna put some white chocolate wafers into a microwave safe container and melt them in 30-second intervals before spooning them over the rims of the glasses that I'm going to use to make a cute little Christmas sprinkle rim. Matcha in first, and then I'm going to add some hot frothed oat milk over the top of that to make our latte. For this one, I just garnished it with some whipped cream and some more sprinkles, but I think it would be super cute if you had a little gingerbread cookie to put on the side of these. Up next is our snickerdoodle matcha latte. I'm going to start with our organic sweet cinnamon matcha, which is just like our sweet original, but it has some cinnamon added in. And I'm just going to prepare this matcha as usual with some hot water and whisking vigorously until everything is really well combined. I'm adding some caramel sauce and a little bit of cinnamon to some hot oat milk and just giving it a mix with our frother. I'm gonna add our cinnamon matcha on top of our frothed oat milk and top with some whipped cream, some crushed up snickerdoodle cookie, and some extra caramel for a little extra sweetness. Last but certainly not least is our sugar cookie matcha latte. For this one, we're going to make a brown sugar syrup by adding water and lots of brown sugar into our pan over low to medium heat and whisking occasionally for about 8 to 10 minutes until everything is really well combined and is reduced a little bit to make it a little bit thicker. Now I'm going to add some of our organic premium matcha into a matcha bowl, add some water, and whisk as per usual. And into some hot oat milk, I'm going to add some of that brown sugar syrup. You can do just as much as you want to taste. It's very sweet. And I'm just going to froth that and get it ready for our matcha. I'm pouring my matcha over my frothed oat milk, and I'm just going to top this one with some whipped cream and sprinkles. Keep it really simple and Christmassy. And this is so much better than the Starbucks sugar cookie latte. You'll have to try it to believe me. I hope you enjoyed these 3 recipes and that you'll give one of them a try. And check out our website, fullleafteacompany.com, for sales and upcoming deals every day. Alright, have a great rest of your day.